Hello and welcome to another update video about HBAR. HBAR is giving us probably here the C wave down at the moment, at least that's what I would reasonably assume. Now it is not really confirmed yet, but I think just about to, because we're just hovering above this support level here at 7.8 cents. That's a key support. I think so far it seems reasonable to assume that we rallied here in a 5-wave move to the upside. That looks, at least at the moment, complete. Because I can count 5 waves up as well of those lows here, and we could be heading down now in an ABC correction. Now for that to be confirmed, or at least have additional confirmation, because nothing is ever certain in these markets, condition for that would be it stays below 9.25 cents. Going above it would be some kind of a breakout point. This would be a more bullish escalation pattern then, which would be possible as well, which we talk about afterwards. But first of all, condition for the C wave down, that this is going to follow this path and ideally will land in the region between 4.5 and 5.8 cents, 5.9 cents. Condition would be that it's now breaking below the 7.8 cent level and stays obviously below 9.2. And then it could follow here the path in a C wave to the downside. Other interpretations are possible. This for me is a likely one. This is the bearish variant and my primary one. Here support levels, as I highlighted, are 7.8 cents, and then it's this region of support here, which is around, or I would say starting around 7 cents. So you probably reasonably can expect a bit of a bounce from the 7 cent level and 7 cent area. However, if this is a wave 2, it should ideally get into this support area down there, which is located between, I might actually need to adjust that based on latest movement. Okay, no, let me adjust that support area. So we adjust it to here. I think that is more likely. I think I had it still based on a recent high. No, this would need to be the proper support area for HBAR, between 6.7 cents and 4.9. The reason is that typically a wave 2 would enter the 50% Fibonacci retracement area and a wave 2, and I would probably be oriented a little bit towards the top of the, no, I didn't want to do that, towards the, let me just add that back, towards the top of the support area here around the 6.7, maybe 5.9 cent area. And the reason is that a wave 2 correction tends to come back to the area of the previous wave 4 low, and this is exactly here in this region, sort of in the upper half or the upper segment of that support area. I may be able to specify the targets a little bit more narrow as we come closer, but this is sort of where I would think we have a good chance to buy in to HBAR again for the long term. This could be a good long-term accumulation area again. But if it breaks below 4.9 cents, then this pattern is most likely going to break. For now, I would assume the A wave is done, the B wave is done, and the C wave is currently in the making. Target-wise for the C wave, I would say ideally the 1.618 extension here at 6 cents. You often see that 1.618 extension area, and that is pretty much in line with the 61.8 retracement and the previous wave 4 low. So you have quite a bit of confluence in this segment. Just coming down to the 1-to-1 ratio at 7.2 cents is here. In my opinion, that would be a little bit too shallow. But nevertheless, either way, and we've seen that across the market, what can of course happen, that this is going to become a larger, or this is an ABC, but that this ABC is only going to be the A wave of a larger ABC pattern. So I would not be surprised to see at least a bounce from the 7.4 cent area. I don't want to tell you to buy there or anything, but because there is limited previous support or resistance, but it is the 38.2 retracement, and we've seen a lot of other coins recently bounce off the 38.2 fib level. So I will put in a support area here but it's not like a highly reliable one, yeah. But certainly I would expect some kind of a bounce here from that 38.2 fib level. Would surprise me if not. It could just be a very shallow one, yeah. But I would say there's a good chance that this ABC is turning into a larger ABC pattern, that this is only the A wave of the larger ABC, which will eventually form the wave 2. And I will put that onto the chart as well, and I will explain why. So this could just be the A wave, then a B wave, and a C wave into. Yeah, and I will explain to you why. The reason is that time-wise, if you look at how long, so how long did the wave 1 last? Yeah. So you would naturally expect the wave 2 sort of maybe to end sort of middle of March. Yeah, maybe early March, but certainly not now. The reason is that typically a wave 2 you would expect time-wise it to be in the region between 62% or 62% and 100% of the length of the wave 1, yeah. Maybe a little shorter than 100%. Yeah, sort of in that sort of time-wise in that segment here, yeah, you would expect that wave 2 to end. So that's sort of it's always a bit vague with these timings, but that this entire wave 1, which lasted 2 months basically, yeah, that this is going to be corrected in just a week is a little bit optimistic. So I would rather say time-wise and price-wise that would most likely extend out further. Okay. So that's my update about HBAR. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.